Hey my besties, how y'all feeling? I hope you're doing well and welcome to the first episode of Cook With Me. So today I'm going to cook my barbecue chicken salad and I'm going to show you how to cook it. And here is everything you need to make the chicken. That's it. And the seasonings, and of course I'll show you those. And of course your salad. Need a nice sturdy pan. You can use this, you can use a big pan. If you're only going to make like for yourself, then I would suggest to use a small pan, but this is a pretty decent sized pan for that. I would turn the heat on medium. Now I don't measure, so I would suggest you use however much butter you think you want to use, or you could use olive oil, cooking oil, whatever kind of butter you want. It's up. But I know if you use anything like olive oil, it does tend to burn faster. So you need to watch what you're cooking when you use olive oil. Alright y'all, so you see most of the butter is cooked out. So, secret ingredient, sugar. That helps to caramelize the onions, take some of the bitter out. Those trying to lead the party. It's time to add the chicken. Of course it's frozen. This is the oven roasted chicken breast already cut up. But you could use whatever chicken you want. If you made you some chicken the night before and you want to shred it up, throw it in there, cook it up. This works for Thanksgiving when you got the leftover turkey. You go ahead and throw the turkey in there, make your turkey salad. You do whatever you want to do. Use whatever kind of chicken or turkey you want to use, and get it done. Then you take and put a lid on it and let it go. We got most of the sauce cooked out of it. Now at this point, you just take the lid off and let it cook to your liking. If you want the chicken to be a little bit more darker, you let it go a little longer. If you don't, you want it just to go like this, that's fine. Because if you used already cooked chicken, turkey, whatever, you're just basically heating it through and just adding a little more flavor, because you know they don't season this stuff. You know, they give it to you basically how it is. Maybe some salt and pepper, but they don't season it. So that's why we season the onions and everything. Cook it through with that. Now we're going to add the barbecue sauce. Now, most people might try to use a bowl, but the amount of stuff that I put in my salads requires a plate. Fun fact, if you want to make a salad ahead of time and not have it be soggy, use cherry or grape tomatoes and don't cut them. The tomato sauce or the tomato juice is what makes your salad soggy when you pre-make a salad. Not the cucumbers or anything else, it's the tomatoes. So if you use grape tomatoes or cherry tomatoes, whatever you want to call them, in your salad and you pre-make it, it won't make your salad soggy. Cranberries and nuts mixed together. I usually get them off of the shelf where they sell all like the little salad toppings when you come to the end of the produce section. Now if you're allergic to nuts, then just use regular cranberries. Wonton strips. Crispy onions. Bacon bits.